Hello friends, myself Keki Singh. So I am back with another video on Google Sheets. So in the last video, I discussed what is the Google Sheet and what are its benefits of using. And I'll remind that the Google Sheet is the web-based application where the multiple people can work collaboratively in real time. And this time I am going to tell you what are the relative cell formula or what are the absolute formula. So let's move to our sheet. So I have created this sheet, and here if you see these are the values which I have already entered, like item number, item name, and quantity, and the price, and the amount. For that amount, I'll try to apply the formula, and this is the formula bar. So if you want to apply the formula, then you will have to recall that this E1 is the address of the cell. E1 means the amount, D1 is the price, and quantity, and so on. So this way the sheet is filled with the items, and then I'm going to tell you how to apply the formula. To apply the formula, put your or bring your cursor or the pointer to the desired cell. So I am putting my pointer to this cell, and I want it to multiply price and quantity to get the amount. So put the cursor and pointer in the cell, desired cell, and on formula bar type equal sign. Before putting any formula for any particular cell, you will have to type equal sign. Means you are going to give an expression here. So equal is typed. Now I want to calculate the amount. So if I want to calculate them, since the price of one iTab is 35,000, so the price of two tabs will be 2 into 35,000. So where is 2? 2 is in this cell. The cell address is C2. C2 to be multiplied by D2, and the product will be inserted into E2. So I am here, I am removing this here, then after equal I'll click C2 and multiply automatically. This is AI based, since this is web based application, so every application of Google is AI enabled. And then into sign, since we are going to multiply it, into sign, and with the price. So price is 35,000, so D2 is the cell address, and when you press enter key, like this, I'm sorry, what is the type format, and number type. Okay, default type is, I must say, normal. And now this is the product of C2 and D2, and this amount is reflected in the cell E2. Correct. So this is the formula. Now I want to copy this formula to the cell E3. I want to copy this here, or I can place the pointer here so that it turns into plus sign, and I drag downwards like this. So this automatically calculates the amount, means column C multiplied by column D, and the result should be stored in column E. So here this is the reference cell formula. Reference relative reference cell means as soon as you, or as you move towards the different cells, address automatically changes. Like I was here, this was E2. When I move to E3, then the formula will automatically be changed to C3 to D3. So this is relative reference formula. Similarly, if you click in this cell, the cell address or the product of cell addresses will automatically be changed, like C4 and D4. So this is relative cell formula. Or if you want to, if you do not want to drag it like this, you do not want to drag it, no worries. So again, put the pointer here and copy this formula. Copy this formula, or from here, add it, copy, and then select the area, select the cells in which you want to copy this formula. So here, and here you paste it. Simple. So again, so you will see as you move downwards, the cell addresses are changed. So this is C2 and D2. Now this is C3 and D3, and this is C4 and D4. So this is reference cell formula or relative reference cell formula. Then what is the absolute formula? The absolute formula is not like the reference formula. There you will have to make the cell address constant. Maybe if you want to keep the column address constant, or column constant, or the row constant. So whichever column or row you want to make constant, then you will have to put $sign there. For example, I'm going to calculate the commission here. Commission here, and suppose this is the percent of commission, and this is suppose 10%. So see here, the address of this cell is H2. The address cell, this H column, and second is a row. So 10 is here, and I want to calculate the commission on the basis of H2 on amount. So the amount is 70,000, and I want to calculate the commission 10% on the amount. So how to do it? I'll press equal sign, then E2 multiplied by this sign, G2, H2, right? I'm writing H2. So when I press enter key here, I'll get, the formula is wrong, and E2 multiplied by H2 divided by 100. So this is the commission. 7,000 is the commission. So when I drag downwards, you'll see the amazing thing. How? Because if I suppose, this is help, if I copy the formula like Control C and paste it here, then you see 0 is there. So why 0? Because this is relative reference formula. So as you move, this is F2. When you move to F3, this H2 will automatically be changed to H3. So H3 is 0, and that is why it doesn't print the correct output. So what should I do? I will have to make this cell constant. How to make this cell constant? I will have to put dollar sign here. So here I'll take dollar H2. If I make H constant and 2 variable or reference, then it automatically the row number is changes. The row number is changed automatically. So here I am putting dollar sign also. Now this H2 cell becomes the constant, and when you print, and this is what the dollar sign says, this is now absolute formula. And as soon as I print this thing, the enter key, so it gives 7,000, and when I drag downwards like this, it automatically calculates 10% commission on the amount. If you see the formula, you will observe that dollar H dollar 2, this is the constant formula, whether this is F2, F3 or F4. So this is the constant formula. So this is absolute cell formula. Now this is E4 is the reference cell formula. So wherever you want absolute formula, you will have to use dollar sign, and where you want the reference cell formula, you will have to use simple cell addresses and the formula. So this way we can apply relative cell formula and the absolute formula. So here in this cell, I have used the absolute formula, absolute and reference as well. So see here, E2 is a reference and dollar H dollar 2 is absolute. So this is mixed cell formula. Correct. So if I put like, if I make this the absolute formula, so I'll keep all the detail, the complete address absolute. Now if I press enter, it will give 7,000, and when I copy this to this, see the miracle, 7,000, 7,000, 7,000. Why? Because now E2 and H2, all the cell addresses become the absolute formula, and hence it depends on the user which cell you want to make the absolute and which cell you do not want. So I am here to remove this absolute. Here, absolute, enter, and now drag. So this is the correct calculation. So this way we can apply formula relative cell address formula and absolute cell address formula, or you can say the mixed formula. Mixed means relative and reference and absolute formula. So hope you understood the concept of a reference formula and the absolute formula. And if you apply this into your sheet, Google Sheet, and I hope you'll get the good result. So that's all for the day. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye. And before saying bye, I must request you to kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you get the notification of every video whichever is created as soon as it is created. So मिलते हैं, bye bye.